Hello, it's John again, and we are here on day 8 of my 30-day updates. And again, starting on my Fiverr account, I did get a couple new orders today, worked on some sites, and just trying to fulfill orders. So I still have about $1,400 worth of orders that I'm working on, and trying to get new orders every day. I did want to talk a little bit about two things, just as far as related to online business, both for my business and hopefully it'll help you with yours as well. The first is, not letting it overtake your life. Things happen. You have family things that happen. We had a family situation come up in not in our immediate family, but in some family members, and I need to be there today. My wife and I need to be there for some folks. And so you got to put stuff on the back burner, but also, family comes first. And so you put things aside when you need to, and you be there for people when you need to. Now, along with that, however, you also need to, it's even more important to have a business that, can kind of run on its own and is really kind of the ultimate goal, that it can be somewhat self-sustaining. And so that it doesn't depend on you every single day having, to do something. So as you're building your online business, that'd be something to think through is, what can I do? A great example of things that, can sustain themselves somewhat with, minimal input. Probably the best example, to be honest, a couple good examples, YouTube videos. You can make a YouTube video about a certain product, a certain software, a service, etc., and you promote an affiliate product in that video. People find your video. You put the video up one time. People find it. They watch it. If they're interested, they might buy through you. So you do the work one time, and that's it. Then that continues to benefit you. So that's probably one of the best examples. Another one is, having a website that you put up. The difference there is you may need to do some maintenance on those sites from time to time to help with SEO. If it's a blog, you're going to have to add new content every so often. But again, that's something that you can, you could write an article about a certain software that you really like, that you think does a great job. People go to Google, they type in software review for whatever. Your site comes up, they go, they like your review, they buy the software, you make a sale and a commission. So those are examples of things that you'd like to try to, have work in a somewhat automated fashion, so you can be hands off when you need to be. Also, we all like to take vacation, get away, leave things behind. Well, you don't want to have to take work with you if you don't need to. The other thing I just want to talk about today relates to getting help online. One of the better ways to do that in today's day and age is through Facebook. There's lots of groups on Facebook. The thing I just caution you about is there's lots of groups on Facebook. So there's tons of groups. You can some are public, and the better ones are private. And so Facebook is also a good way to network with other marketers, build up friends on Facebook, digital friends on Facebook. And that'll help you, through those connections, get access into some of these maybe private groups. There's lots of public groups. You may have come across them. If you go to Facebook and search on, make money online, you'll see all these, public groups that come up where all people do is go in and they just, spam all day long, spam messages with links. Then that does not really work very well. And that's definitely not the kind of group that you want to be a part of. You want to be a group where people are sharing ideas, people are asking for advice, you can learn new techniques, learn new skills. And also, it depends on what you want to get involved with. If you want to do Amazon FBA, there's groups for that. If you want to do just strictly YouTube marketing, then there's groups for that. If you want to do email marketing, there's groups for that. So really, whatever niche you want to get into, online, specific area online, there's groups, and they can be super helpful. And then there's also just kind of general groups. There's groups about product creation and launching products. There's groups just about kind of general affiliate marketing. And they can be very helpful, and you can really get some good training and advice through those Facebook groups. So if you're not on Facebook, or if you haven't really used Facebook in that way for your online business, then I'd encourage you to go ahead. If you would like to know some groups that I think are very beneficial and valuable to be part of, then leave me a comment, and I can send you a message. Well, I'd be happy to share what those groups are. I'm not going to do it here in a public setting through the video, but I'd certainly be happy to share those with you. So I hope that helps y'all. I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Thanks for following with me. Again, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much.